Ever thought about what separates good web design from a great one? It is not just pretty images. It is about logic and structure. It is about layouts that feel effortless on any device or screen, and it is about guiding the viewer's eye, whether it is a long article or a dynamic web page. So, the secret behind all of that is in using the box element. This tiny, often overlooked container is a core part of modern, responsive web design and does way more than you think. To show you exactly how it works, we will use the Nice Page Website Builder, which comes with the richest collection of ready-made website templates, making it easier than ever to build responsive layouts. So, let's learn the box element in depth and see how you can use it on websites step by step. In the Nice Page editor, add a new box to the page from the Add panel. Alternatively, you can press the Alt+P hotkey. Nice Page also offers different styles of boxes right away: bordered, rounded, and circle-shaped. You can easily add the box with the hover slider effect if needed. Once the box is on the canvas, we can start adding content inside it. The box acts as a flexible container for elements such as headings, texts, icons, buttons, lines, and shapes. Click on the round plus icon at the center of the box and add a heading and some text. Tip: if you have already placed elements directly on the page outside the box, don't worry. Just select multiple elements with your mouse. Click the box elements icon in the right property panel to instantly group them inside a box. After boxing the elements, the box automatically switches to editing mode. And here is the real magic. Box lets you group multiple elements and control them as a single unit. This makes it easier to move, style, and keep your layout clean and consistent inside larger blocks or sections. Let's customize Box. Nice Page gives you full control with a wide range of pre-built blocks containing editable boxes. Choose anyone and let's make it yours. Select the box, and on the right panel, you'll see all the properties you can adjust: fast, flexible, and visual. Need to align the box inside the block? Select the block and change the position values in the property panel, or simply drag it into place. Magnetic guides will help you snap everything perfectly into alignment. Want to organize elements inside your box? Select the box, click buttons to align elements horizontally and vertically. Need a background? You have a wide choice of what your background can be: color or gradient, image or video, with or without shade. Adjust the width and height to fit your layout perfectly. Add borders and shadow and round the corners for a softer, modern look. Need precise spacing? Select the box and use the slider, or set exact values for top, bottom, left, and right padding. Everything updates instantly. Want to make your entire box clickable? Add a link to the whole element, ideal for promos, calls to action, or featured content. Give your box a title to add clarity and improve structure for users and search engines. Apply entrance animations to catch attention and improve engagement. Use the Hide on Devices option to control visibility across desktop, tablet, and mobile. Every element inside the box, fully customizable. Your design, your rules. Need to change your design? No problem. With just one click on the Unbox icon, you can instantly remove the box wrapper and redesign freely, fast and clean. Need to reuse the box? Use the copy, duplicate, or other smart options right from the context toolbar. Or simply press Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. It's that easy. And when you no longer need it, just hit Delete on the context toolbar or use the Delete key. Convert Box to Grid Repeater. Working with repeating content, convert your box into a grid repeater using the Repeat in Columns icon in the context toolbar. Now, when you style one item, all others update automatically. It saves time and keeps your design consistent. As we mentioned earlier, the main advantage of using the box is that you do not usually need to make additional settings for the inner texts and the responsive modes. Box keeps your design clean, organized, and truly responsive. Just make sure your box and its inner elements are properly aligned. Click the preview. On the preview, click the device icons to change the mobile view. Your content adjusts automatically with no extra effort needed. Please click the like icon and subscribe to our channel to receive updates about new videos.